Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to unsend messages on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my WhatsApp message. Now I want to unsend this message. Now to unsend message, tap on message you want to unsend. For now, I'll tap this for a while. And after that, over here you can see here is delete icon. Just tap on this. And over here is delete for everyone, delete for me and cancel. Now to unsend this message, tap on this delete for everyone. Just tap on this and after this you can see this message is deleted. That means I have successfully unsent this message. So in this way we can unsend messages on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.